Hello everyone, welcome to Champions CVGH. We make sure that we update you on every technology, science, and other aspect. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a bulk SMS, sending message to numerous people at a go. And you won't need to download any app like no, you won't download any app. You don't need any data connection. All you need is just having enough SMS on your mobile phone. And the app we'll be using is just the messaging app we have on our mobile phone, SMS. Without wasting much of your time, please subscribe and follow me as we trip on to this. And I hope you are going to subscribe. Sharp.
I welcome everyone here to this channel, Champions TV GH. They respond home of creativity. Say it again, home of creativity.
Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to make bulk SMS. Let's begin. You need to open your SMS app that you are using. You understand what I'm saying? You open the SMS app that you're using. And in my SMS app here, let me select. What I want to do is we can see a message icon at the bottom right corner here. Click on it. Google has brought a new feature in message, so everyone has it. If you're using Android, I'll make video for those who are using Apple too as well. So now you are come to create a group. Don't think that the group you are creating is like WhatsApp that they will all see it. No, this group is like you see them in a group, but it will send the messages to them. Like I'll create a group with myself and you. You see, I don't know who created it. I will see it as the group I created, but when I send a message, it will come to you as a personal message. You get what I'm saying? So let's let this people. I'm selecting a friend here. Yeah, humble. Let me select Clement. Let me select a friend here. Um, explore. Should I add one? Okay, but before I continue, please make sure you comment in the comment section where you're watching from, whether you're watching from Ghana, and let me know whether you like this phone technology or you like my graphic designing aspect or you like my making money online aspect. Please let me know. I want you to comment. If you don't comment, you can't continue. So I'm adding the last person here. So let me add this handle again. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. Okay, so now you click on next. Now you can see group name is optional because I told you it's not a group that you are creating. You are creating a bulk SMS. You deliver it at once. A broadcast message. That's the word broadcast message. So let me select. I'm teaching you. So let me say champions CVGH SMS, right? Tutorials. Please make sure you subscribe because not everyone had a chance to get where you are. Some people skipped right after watching the video. Please make sure you subscribe as well. So only you can see the group name. You see what I told you? Only you can see this group name. So I'm done. I'm done with it. I'm done with it. And the nice aspect about this is that you see it has created a simple logo for you. Yeah, so let me try and show you something. Hello, I'm testing them. It's not a group. We see how it works. Let's open someone will reply and to ignite as an evidence. Hello, there was a female in it. I add there. Let me use that. Hello. Mm. Good afternoon. Hope you good. Okay, so it's 1:43 right now. I don't know if I should. I'm sure someone will definitely comment, but I'm not sure. It's I can wait till that time. I don't want to waste much of your time here. So you see, they dated me in my SMS. So just click on OK. Now you can see SMS masters here. You can hope you can see it under this SMS masters. So it means it's a like what I'm saying, bulk SMS. Yeah. And let me you see what I'm talking to. This is the group, the broadcast you created, but it's not like what you are thinking. You can see it has been shared to Clement, Humble Chairman Blog, Esther, and Humble here again. So you see what I was talking to you about. You don't need to send no. Let's say if you're having a festive occasion like Christmas, you just try this Merry Christmas to all your contacts. Thank you. I think no one was able to reply, so I need to end it here. I need to end it here. So um, um I just hope you like the video. I hope you like this video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing you more content. You see, you are here and I just want you to be following it. Please make sure you like. If you don't like liking, like it for me, comment as well, then subscribe. You can share this video to someone you think might be helpful. Thank you. Sharp.